Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy J.Wynn, and today I'm gonna go ahead and talk about Tory Lanez and his little Memorial Day weekend party he had on the boat. So I hope you guys enjoy. Link to the original video is gonna be below. So go ahead, if you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out there. And I just want to say my man had some fun. So try to get this thing going. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Let me pause this 1 second. Man, hey, friends, we need to get something like this hooked up. Hey, y'all know my number. Hey, 4th of July, let's do something, all right? Hit me up. Let's go. My man having too much fun. I need to be like Tory Lanez. For real, for real. Hey, hey, hey. No. Hey, which Super Soaker you want? The one on the left or the one on the right? Comment below. I know which one I want. Oh man, I like my vodka. I ain't no Hennessy drinker, but hey. And he might be just the first brother who ever put Henny in the Super Soaker. I mean, rappers back in the past, they might have did something similar like that, but I've never seen that on video like this. So, man. Okay, guys. Original link in the blah. Guys, original video in the link below. Go ahead and check that out. My man was having some fun. I think everybody needs to see that. So, my next party gonna be lit like this. Who wanna go? Y'all hit me up, subscribe, hit the link below. You already know who it is. It's J.Wynn, and I'm out.